What's up, guys? Alright, today I'm going to show you my way of how you can get rid of all this opaque, dingy stuff on your on the headlights. Alright. My way is I use one of these Harbor Freight bought, pretty inexpensive. It's a dual action polisher. Little goes the wrong way, guys. You should do it about a couple times. You can see already it's taken off most of it. You can already see a drastic change in it. Alright, when your headlights are as dingy as mine, you want to use something like this. What I use now. I'm not promoting anybody's product. I bought it on myself. They're not paying me, but this is what I'm using, and I bought this for like 65, 70 bucks. It's like 10 bucks or something. Again, I'm not promoting it. They're not paying me. It'll be a second time. Now, you saw my lights, they're really dingy. But look, it's already a big change. Big improvement already. Get you guys a close-up. Yup, there you have it, guys. Look at those lights. I've already done this side, and look at the one I just did right now. Now mind you, this is 2012 Honda Accord. The lights are original, and you could barely see in there in those lights. But check that out. That's a drastic improvement right there, guys. Again, this is stuff I'm using. It's McGuire's Mirror Glaze Ultra Cut Compound. It's some pretty aggressive stuff. It's good for you can do your car's finish also. This is the dual action polisher. Bauer makes it. All Harbor Freight stuff. Pretty much under $100. Get you a bag of microfiber rags and you're good. My next project is going to be the ones in the back. They're not too bad, but yeah. Hit me up in the comments if you guys want more information on it. All right, bye.